Today, I'm going to show you how to turn on the hazard lights inside of a GMC Sierra. I'm going to show you how to turn the hazard lights on as well as turn them off. You're going to need to use your hazard lights if you're in a situation where you're changing the tire or your vehicle is disabled or something. You may need to turn on your hazard lights. So I'm going to show you how to do that. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get going. So I'm inside of the GMC Sierra. In order to turn on the hazard lights, what you have to do is look towards the center console. And you'll see that there is a button right here, and it's a triangle shape. It's a triangle within the triangle. In order to turn on the hazard lights, I'll simply press this, and you'll see on the instrument panel that there are two lights. Those two lights are representative of the hazard lights being on. When they're flashing like that, that's a left and right turn signal flashing simultaneously. That is indicative that the hazard lights are on. Now, to turn them off, what I'm going to do is go over here and press this button, and that turns off the hazard lights, hazard flashers, whatever you want to call them, on the GMC Sierra. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.